Jonathan Boren, principal of Abington High School in Abington, Massachusetts. So it was really great. We had our sophomores in at the end of the day, and they brought a lot of energy, which they usually do at the end of the day, but it was matched by our presenter. Really nice to get that energy out, and nicely paced too. So a little bit of information, then some fun, and definitely informative. So he was able to match it, and I think they both saw him as someone they could confide in, but also knowledgeable about his topic. So they were able to both, like I said, listen during the parts there was information-based and have fun when it was time to have fun. A student who, towards the end, just popped by, a student I know, and I said, how's it going? She goes, it's really good. He's not lecturing us. He's kind of talking with us, being honest, and inviting conversation. So they really appreciated the honesty. That's interesting. I actually think college students would be an interesting target audience for this in addition to high schools. I think it's just helpful for kids to recalibrate and have a more normative view of not drinking or smoking, because we just know it is more common that they don't than they do, but I think it's understood differently. So hopefully that the kids can be self-aware that there are a lot more kids like them making good choices, and they should continue to do so. I just thank you for coming. It's nice to have, especially for our sophomores, who we often don't have a lot of fun things besides state testing for them to do. So it's nice to give them something fun to do, especially this time of year.
That's awesome.
Thank you very much.